Well, Jen, according to the National Hurricane Center, Elsa became a hurricane again around 8 o'clock, operating as a strong tropical storm. We've not observed any hurricane wind gusts. We've seen some tropical storm force wind gusts on some of the coastal spots. And right now you can see Max Defender 8, a great way to track the system, our powerful S-band radar. And you can see the areas inland and farther south, higher areas of reflectivity, but almost looks like a summer afternoon. This is a bit of a squall line here as it continues kind of linear across the northern sections of Hillsborough County, and likely will continue to move farther north here over the next couple of hours. And pretty decent downpours in and around this area, and we'll continue to move in that fashion. I'm going to get this thing going here. There we go. There we go. Showers continue to move, as I mentioned, from south to north across the area. And coming on shore, Port Charlotte, Venice, and Sarasota. And in good downpours, too, that are set to move into St. Petersburg and also portions of Tampa. That's the kind of area we're talking about in a squall line, that you may see some brief downpours. It might be kind of very heavy for a short period of time. Lots of heavier rain offshore. That's where the bulk of the thunderstorms have been, but there's also a lot of dry air, and I think some of that's being pulled into the storm. Trying to make out where the center of the storm, that's roughly the eye of the storm, which isn't very clear right now. Perhaps some precipitation in the center of the system itself, but clearly the circulation is there around that area of low pressure, this Category 1 hurricane, as it continues to move to the north. There's some of that dry air, very quiet on the western side as it has been. Most of the moisture here, and the burst of convection, the thunderstorms have been farther north here throughout the day. So that'll continue to move in that northerly way at 14 miles per hour, according to the Hurricane Center. Now, we'll get an update on this track as of 11 o'clock. 75-mile-per-hour winds, lots of moisture here. You see these banding features kind of lining up around this Category 1 hurricane, and it will continue to move closer to the Pinellas County coastline. And that, again, is the concern for flooding areas. Have to really watch those high tides between midnight and around 3 a.m. I think that's the biggest effect from the storm, will be the potential coastal flooding from 2 to 4 feet along coastal spots, and perhaps a bit higher than that at high tide. But you do see how that forecast track will go. Wind speeds right now 29 miles per hour in St. Pete, gusting to 39 miles per hour. So we're seeing some strong wind gusts. We'll continue to update you on the coastal effects, and I think we really have to watch those as we get past midnight, especially, and the storm continues moving north. Guys?